Hello everybody, my name is Mr. Massey. I am a New York State special education teacher, and today what we're going to look at is equivalent fractions. We're going to look at it in a 4th grade level under the standard 4.NF.1, which is one of the New York State power standards. So the question that I have behind me is actually a question that came from the 2019 test. So let's take a look at it. Which fraction model has a shaded area equivalent to 3/12? Okay, so I have my choices A, B, C, and D. So the first thing I want to look at is I definitely want to see what this 3/12 is. And my first option is, okay, let me look at A, B, C, and D. And do I have 3 areas that are shaded out of 12 boxes? As you can see, no, I don't. So then that means I have to reduce this fraction into one of which of these might make sense. So let's try this out. So for A, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 1/6 shaded in. So I'm going to put that on the side so we don't forget. For B, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces, and I have 1/4 shaded. So let's write that on the side so we don't forget. And for C, I have 1, 2, 3 pieces, and 1/3 of them is shaded. And for D, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I have 1/10. Now, if I'm going to reduce this fraction, which I need to do, I can automatically eliminate one that I know definitely can't make sense. So I can't reduce 3/12 to 1/10. So I'm just going to cross that out, get rid of it, because that's not a logical answer for this question. So what I will do is I'll put my 3/12 down here, and let's see. I can divide it by 3, because 3 is a common factor for 3 and 12. So if I do 3 divided by 3, I get 1. And if I do 12 divided by 3, I get 4. So if I do it that way, I automatically know that my answer has to be B. It cannot be 1/6, because if I divide 3 in half and 12 in half, if I divide 12 in half, yes, I will get 6. If I divide 3 in half, I will not get 1. So I can eliminate A. A would not work. Now, let's look at C. Why C doesn't work. So if I divide 3 by 3, then I would get 1. But if I divide 12 by 3, I don't get 3. 12 divided by 4 is 3. But 12 divided by 3 is 4. So I know I'd be able to eliminate all of my other answers other than B. So we just took a quick look at the power standard 4.NF.1, which is equivalent fractions in 4th grade. And this came from the actual 2019 test, which was question 8. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. This helps, and I look forward to seeing you in future videos.